Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Airbnb to Google Calendar in 2024. So, are you looking to streamline your booking management process and keep track of your reservations with ease? Today, we're exploring how to connect Airbnb to Google Calendar in 2024. By syncing your Airbnb calendar with Google Calendar, you can effectively or efficiently manage your bookings to avoid any double bookings. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, it could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, basically you'll have to go to this URL section and simply type airbnb.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Airbnb right away. So the first thing, simply go to the top right corner, as you can see, click in here, and you'll have to go and click on sign up if you have, or sorry, login if you have an account. You'll be able to log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or email. If you don't have an account, instead click on sign up and make sure to create your account. For me here, I'll just go and click on login and I'll log in with Google so I don't have to go through all the boring steps of, creating or even logging into my account, as you can see. And as you can see, by continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture of the Airbnb. You can see the privacy policy and terms of service of it if you want to see it. So for me, I'll just go here and click on login. Or it seems like it was not the account that I logged in or I created my account recently. So it seems like finished signing up. So I'm creating a new account. Why not? For example, I'll just do here February 2 in 2002. And of course, if you don't want to receive like marketing messages from Airbnb, make sure to scroll down and check this option so you don't keep receiving the annoying emails. If you want, you'll be able to let it as it is. So as you can see, Airbnb is a community where anyone can belong. To ensure this will ask you to agree, like to treat everyone like good, despite the race, religion, national origin. As you can see, a lot of stuff. So click on agree and continue. Of course, if you don't agree, you'll not be able to use it. So as you can see, welcome to Airbnb. Discover places to stay in and unique, of course, experiences around the world. So maybe you would like to go now and open, just as an example, Google Calendar. Hit the enter button. Make sure to go to this first link and make sure that you're logging in into like the same account. Sorry. So make sure that you're logged in into the same account that you're gonna use for connecting it with Airbnb as example. So I created my account using the same account that I have here in Google. So as an example, once you do so, it's time as example to go to this top right corner. Make sure to go and click on it. Once you do so, as an example, once you click here at the top right corner, which is your icon, you'll be able to click on the help center. As an example, to show you like the easy step, you'll just type here like Google Calendar, and they'll tell you like sync calendar or Google Calendar. As an example, as simple as that. So I'll just go and click on that. And as you can see, it connects your Airbnb calendar to other websites like Google Calendar. So as you can see in this article, we'll find four or two steps: exports calendar to other websites or imports calendar from other websites. For us, what we want, of course, to export, like as example, calendar from Airbnb to our Google Calendar. Of course, you can see here which nights are blocked, refresh and connect to the calendar example. So as example here, they'll show you everything, how to do it in desktop, iOS app, Android, and even mobile browser example. So as example, on desktop, if you want to explore a calendar or export a calendar from Airbnb to Google Calendar, so you'll have to click on calendar and select the list 10 like calendar you want to change. So as example, I'll just go here and click on it. And as you can see, for me, I have no trips booked yet. Time to dust off your bags and start planning your next adventure. So make sure to click on start searching and book your things. So you'll be able, of course, to have a calendar first if you did not book anything. For example, if you are someone who's booking like for people, you will find even if you're booking for people, your calendar here. But if you're not booking or if you're not booking for yourself or not booking for anyone or no one is booking your house, you will not find any calendar there. So for you, click on calendar. Here you will find your calendar. After that, click on check availability For me, I don't have it because I don't have any calendar now. And then under connects calendars, click on Airbnb calendar exports. But for like Google Calendar, you'll find the option there to click on Connects Google Calendar. But even if you didn't find it, you'll be able to click on Connects Google Calendar. And of course, you can copy the link, then paste it into your ICL based calendar, which is here as an example. How can you add it? You can simply go here to your settings at the top right corner. Go and click on that, click on settings. And here, as you can see on this left panel, we found general. You'll find a lot of things. You'll be able to add a calendar as example, subscribe to a calendar as example, create a new calendar, and etc. Or from a URL. Or here you'll find imports and exports. So for imports, as you can see, you'll be able to select like a file from your computer because once you export it from here, you get it as a file or a link. Of course, you can even import it as a link. And if you want to even like, as you can see, you can import events information like iCal, like they told us here, as you can see, or even VCS format, so you can import it. Or if you want to even export it from here to Airbnb, you'll be able to click on export. You'll be able to download it. Go back here, as you can see, check how to import. So it's going to be the same. Click on calendar, check on availability, then click on under connects calendars, click on calendar imports instead of export. And you'll have to paste the URL or simply enter the file that they've given you here. And you'll be good to go. As simple as that without any problems. And that's how you basically connect your calendar, Airbnb calendar to Google Calendar right away. Of course, you can verify like everything is synced as successfully by simply going to Google Calendar, go here, check if the nights that you booked in like Airbnb are here, you can check all the dates, or do the same here as an example. You can go to your calendar on Airbnb and check if everything that you have in like Google Calendar in there, especially depending whatever you do. So as an example, if you exported things from Google Calendar to Airbnb, you'll have to check here. If you do it from Airbnb to Google Calendar, you have to check here. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. So there you have it. You seamlessly connected your Airbnb to Google Calendar, simplifying your booking management process and keeping it all your reservation organized in one place. With this integration, you can stay on top of your schedule and provide a smooth experience for your guests. So happy hosting. And if you have any question or there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover in next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do this as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.